Hello.
Welcome to Llandybie. The walk today is 5 miles. It always surprises me sometimes when walks meet another walk or whatever. We're going to Carmel Woods, which I'm sure a lot of you have been to, Nature Reserve or Woods. You've probably been there.
I did a.
Oh yeah, I know.
And then we're back and we're all right. We're going to catch up.
I like the valley there with the trees on the left. It's amazing how near they kind of all are.
Yeah.
And what's the entrance like? And then even more
I assume so.
Yeah. For about a century, from the 1840s to the 1950s, Llandybie enjoyed both mining and quarrying in an area otherwise dominated by agriculture. A local mineral railway line branching off the main Ammanford to Llandilo passenger line once carried Llandybie's coal and limestone to markets throughout South and West Wales. Even before the arrival...
he was coming over in the morning.
Yes, it's Cranesville, wild geraniums.
And don't walk inside and have a look what's there.
Meat course.
Thing is,
What days are gone, are they?
I said,